on Granddaddy Soul. Don't miss this shit on my mama. Y'all better subscribe to this shit. I just rolled this fucking song. I can't even fucking hear.
I really touched me 100, I did it for Bill. Nigga was next. I guess I'm toxic, I cut that bitch off for a week, then send her a text. My first show, me and my bros hit the road, we geeked off the X. Let off the gas when you hitting the corners, the wheel, make sure it catch. I really touched me 100, I did it for Bill. Nigga was next. I guess I'm toxic, I cut that bitch.
So what's the word, gang? You already know what's going on, man. It's your boy Big Motion. We back here, bro, with another swap. You hear me? This time, though, you hear me? Like, my boy out here doing this shit on his own. You hear me? You want to say something to the peoples? This is your shit. You hear me? Fuck y'all. Big lip ass. Big teeth ass. Look, this nigga been working on this damn car for the past 4 months, trying to get one bolt out.
They ain't got nothing to do with you,
No, I'm just playing, man. But we got everything for the swap, man. So, shit, I guess, shit, I don't know what my boy finna do. I guess he finna get this motherfucker out. As y'all can see, we got all the parts to it, man. Clean cars. The shell is for sale. If one of y'all want to buy the shell or buy the body, once it's done with the swap, then y'all can come get it. It is nah, it's wrecked. It's wrecked in the front. I don't know who the hell gonna want it, but it's wrecked in the front. So y'all probably ain't gonna want it. But we finna go ahead, get this shit done, man. We probably gonna do a little time lapse or something. I don't know. But make sure y'all comment, subscribe, bro. Rock with me. If y'all want to see me do 24 hours, you hear me, swapping cars for a day with the Saturn and a Cat, y'all let me know, man. Comment that shit. If y'all want to see that, bro, that's what we gonna get y'all, you hear me, on game. But back to the Jeep. This is the original SRT for sure. So we went and got it. Y'all can see the seats. All the parts and everything came out this car. So this is the donor. This is the donor car. Took the engine out, all that. We reused and all this. We got the other car already ready. It's already been put together a little bit. If y'all need some extra parts, something like this, because I don't think we don't need none of this off the doors and all that. Y'all need extra parts, something, man. Just let me know, man. DM me. Comment below, whatever y'all want to do. We got extra parts for y'all for sale. Big 6'4". Big 6'4". And we ain't talking no Impala. Big 6'4s. So we gonna be back, man.
2 hours later.
So the nigga just now want to open the garage, bro. We got all the parts. Everything that came out. I did not think it was this much. Like, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like, this ain't yours, is it? What the hell is this out 3.6? V8?
That's the other one.
Out the Laredo, right?
That's the SRT one.
Well, we got another one. Another transmission from that one. Hella SRT parts. All I think most of this stuff going to the other car. I ain't for sure. You gotta ask this nigga right here. He said he got some extra seats. So if you need some extra seats, something like that, let us know, man. We gonna get you together for sure. Probably gonna have to come get them because we ain't shipping them things. But we don't man, this hella stuff to do. I ain't gonna lie, we been waiting on this project for a minute. And it's just been a headache. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, like, it's straight been a headache for my boy. But I'm happy for him now because we making progress. At first, we was at a standstill for a couple months. We making progress with it, though. So I'm glad for my boy. I know he's happy with his little ass in the back. He always smiling and shit, but today he wasn't smiling, showing them guns. But like I said, gang, y'all gonna keep rocking with us. We ain't gonna bring y'all nothing but bangers because this a banger. Every time you see a video with Scoe, just know it's gonna be a banger. You hear me? I'm giving y'all everything that y'all want. We finna do this shit full-fledged. You hear me? Like I said, it's not just gonna be about cars. It's gonna be about everything that y'all wanna see, bro. Family stuff, my life, everything. So keep rocking with us on the game. And we gonna be back on GD, on Granddaddy Soul. And we was working on the car, man. We had to come here, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Like, this motherfucker do look good. This could be a potential new crib. Look, man, you want to walk around with me, man? You know, bro, they didn't see it, bro. You need to stop acting like that, bro. Stop being weird, bro. He weird, bro. He weird, bro. It look hella good, though. Like, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like, it do look good. Good as hell. The only thing I don't like about it is on the main street. Like, that's too busy. But I'm going to show y'all the inside. Like, the inside is what really do it justice. Like, I ain't gonna cap. Inside do it justice. You got the big pine in the back. I'm gonna show y'all. Look, I don't know if y'all can see it. Look at that. Look at that, gang. Big patio. This is what the basement look like. Woo! That thing look good. This might be something for Scoe, man. Big motion. Big motion might have to just get him. I ain't gonna lie. You got the big patio. That's gonna be an issue for Woo. You know you little, man. Show y'all the big patio in the kitchen. Can you even run up the steps, dude? You definitely can't. This video probably gonna be short, hella short. I've been dropping all bangers though. On GD. Look at that. All bangers. Niggas be hating. Yeah. So we just copped the house. Hey, comment what y'all think his height is. Is he bad bitch height? That's my boy, man. I fuck with Will Skate.
That's the garage right here.
It is. That motherfucker hard.
It ain't so big, though.
Bro, that motherfucker is big. And then the whole scenery, bro, that motherfucker just... You can't see none of the bedroom. I look a hot ass mess, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm taller than this motherfucker. Like, hella taller. This a bad bitch car. Let me get up in this bitch. Y'all want to see Scoe behind the wheel of this thing? Wheel of this thing like this, just getting all top. Knocking me down on GD. You hear me? What's on this dash? I don't know why the fuck this got the seat all the way back. 140 on the dash. Car too fucking fast on game. I don't know why you even playing like that though, but I ain't gonna lie, gang. It's boring as hell. Hold on. I ain't stopping the video for shit this time. Like, and I needed to work on my cussing. But I ain't stopping the video for nothing this time. You hear me? We finna get straight into it. You hear me? We finna do a cold start on this thing. Oh, God. Hand me the key, nigga. Finna get a big cold start in the SRT Saturn. On Granddaddy. Hold on. I need to stop playing before I break something in this motherfucker, man. But yeah, man, if y'all want to see me do that 24-hour thing, man, switch your cars, bro, y'all let me know, bro. Down in the comment right now. Stop the video. Yay or nay, bro. Should I do it, bro? Should I let motherfuckers get behind the big cat and I get behind that SRT Saturn, bro? I think I should, though. I ain't gonna lie. I'll show you how to do this motherfucker. You hear me? I came up from a fucking Cavalier, so I know for a fact. I know the big cat. I'll turn this bitch into a little cat. It won't be the big one, but it'll be the little cat for sure. And then you got my bad bitch out here looking so sad and shit. Mishmash colors and shit. Damn. I'm gonna do a cold start on this hoe. Right now. It really ain't no cold start because I just got out of it. But I just want to see what this motherfucker gonna do. Get in the back of this thing. Man, my hands ashy as hell. Oh, I just dropped something. I don't know what I dropped, but cold start on this. I know damn well. Oh, no. I know my coin went dead. I know it ain't did no shit like that. Oh, it ain't did no shit like that. Hold on. Oh, I was finna say, gang. I was finna say my car straight went dead. Oh, it ain't dead. Hold on. Y'all motherfucker cold store. I don't know why my key fob ain't working. My key fob battery probably went dead. Shit, I don't know. Yeah, I think my key fob battery went dead. It gotta have went dead. It went dead, for sure. I can't start it with this one because they sold me a fake ass key. But I'm gonna go ahead and start it from the inside. Might as well. Might as freaking well. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's the word, gang, man? We back, man. Like I said, man, it's late on in the night, man. I'm sitting up on my hair because it's pushed down. I just got my shirt twisted. I'm finna go drop the cat off, man, to the wrap shop. I got something for y'all. Like I said, every video a banger, bro. We always got something planned, like always got something coming. You hear me? Like I said, I got the 300 build. We got the Jeep build going on. And I got something going with the Hellcat Red. You hear me? I'm dropping it back off to the wrap shop. That's all I'm finna tell y'all. You hear me? Y'all ain't getting nothing else. Y'all gotta make sure y'all watch the videos. Y'all gotta make sure y'all got them post notifications turned on. Y'all gotta make sure y'all rocking with the gang. You hear me? And them stars looking good in the back. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But we finna go ahead, get out of here, man, get on the road. I'm probably gonna get a little content on the highway or something like that, man. And I'm gonna hit y'all when we get there or when we get to the wrap shop, either one. But like I said, keep rocking with the gang, man. Make sure y'all turn them post notifications on, and we out this bitch on Granddaddy. So, see, I ain't gonna lie. What I be trying to do, I be trying to find somebody that's gonna race me. But as you can see, man, don't nobody wanna race the big cat, man. At all. I'm gonna do a couple pulls. People get out the way when they hear the big cat. Move! Get out the way! We're gonna do a 70 pull, 70 to 100. Little pull, 70 to 100, man. Y'all seen it. That motherfucker do take off hella fast, man. I ain't gonna lie, like, and it's in regular mode, like regular auto mode. It ain't in sport, track, none of that. I don't want to do too much. I got my boy Wooski behind me. I don't even think y'all can see him. My windshield hella dirty. Like, I need to probably get a wash or something. And I ain't trying to get pulled over or nothing like that. Like, I got my boy behind me. Go too crazy. You know, we do the speed limit on this channel, man. If y'all ain't seen, we do the speed limit on this channel for sure. I be trying to find somebody to race me. No, nobody want to race the cat for nothing. Like, it's always Ultima or something like that. Like, no other Mopars ever want to race. So I guess we just gonna hit y'all when we get to wrap shop. Unless I find somebody that want to get their ass left. You hear me? Straight up. So we pulling up right now, man. I couldn't find nobody to race me or nothing like that. But it's cool. I guess we gonna catch somebody on another day. I'm finna go ahead and drop the big boy cat off, man. I got something so crazy for y'all, man. Coming real soon. I'm finna go in here and rap with Austin. Have him come get the car. And I'm gonna hit y'all back when he come out or when we go in. Either or, it really don't matter. But I'm gonna give y'all a little quick walk around of the big cat, man. Oh shit, I don't wanna tap nobody's car. Yeah, man, so we got the big cat. And it's gonna be like, I ain't gonna lie, like, it's gonna be heartbreaking for me to let my baby go, but, you know, gotta do what we gotta do. And I'm finna hit y'all back. So, gang, this is the last time y'all gonna see the big cat like this, man. The last time, you hear me? Say y'all final goodbyes to this mug, because this mug definitely gone, man. Just like that, man. The next video, well, it ain't gonna be the next video, but a couple weeks it's gonna be gone. So I ain't gonna be in the cat. But just know the rap reveal coming soon. So make sure y'all subscribe to it, man. I got my boy Austin coming out right now. So make sure y'all subscribe to it and get it done. Cause this is the last time y'all gonna see you hear me, the cat like this, you hear me? Straight up. And we gone, you hear me? If you like this video, man, make sure y'all comment, like, turn the post notifications on. And we gonna keep rocking with y'all just like that on the gang on Granddaddy. How niggas my mans